Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your thoughts, stuck in the same patterns, or disconnected from your true self? Imagine if there was a simple yet powerful way to alleviate these struggles and transform your life. Journaling can do just that. By dedicating a few moments each day to reflect and write, you can uncover profound insights and create lasting change. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth with journaling prompts? Welcome to Case Calm Kit, your sanctuary for personal growth and emotional well-being. Today, we are exploring the transformative power of journaling prompts. Journaling isn't just about putting pen to paper. It's a gateway to deeper self-awareness, emotional healing, and purposeful living. By using specific prompts, you can guide your thoughts and reflections in a way that fosters significant positive changes in your life. Let's delve into how these prompts can lead you to a more fulfilled and conscious existence. Many of us face significant challenges in our personal development journey. These challenges often come in the form of emotional hurdles, persistent negative thoughts, and feelings of being stuck or unfulfilled. We struggle to make sense of our experiences, find it difficult to break free from limiting beliefs, and often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of our emotions. These obstacles can hinder our growth, making it hard to move forward and achieve the sense of peace and purpose we seek. Self-reflection is crucial for overcoming these barriers, but it's not always easy to know where to start or how to effectively navigate our inner world. This is where journaling comes in. By using targeted journaling prompts, we can address these challenges head-on, gain clarity, and foster a deeper understanding of ourselves. Now, let's delve into some powerful journaling prompts that can lead to significant personal insights and growth. These prompts are designed to help you explore different aspects of your life, from gratitude to self-discovery and goal setting. Number 1. Gratitude. Start with the prompt, "What are 3 things you are grateful for today and why?" This simple question shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, fostering a mindset of appreciation and contentment. By regularly acknowledging what you are thankful for, you cultivate a habit of recognizing the good even in the challenging times. Number 2. Self-discovery. Reflect on this prompt. Describe a moment when you felt truly at peace. What were you doing, and what can you learn from that experience? This helps you identify activities, environments, or people that contribute to your sense of peace and well-being, guiding you towards more of these moments in your daily life. Number 3. Goal setting. Use the prompt, "What are your top 3 goals for the next year, and what steps can you take to achieve them?" This encourages you to think about your future and break down your aspirations into actionable steps. Writing your goals and plans solidifies your intentions and keeps you motivated. Number 4. Emotional awareness. Consider the prompt, "What emotions are you experiencing right now? What do you think is causing these emotions?" This question encourages you to tune into your emotional state and understand the underlying triggers. Recognizing and naming your emotions is the first step towards emotional intelligence and healing. Number 5. Personal growth. Reflect on this. Reflect on a recent challenge you faced. How did you handle it, and what did you learn from it? This prompt helps you to process difficult experiences and extract valuable lessons from them. By analyzing how you responded to challenges, you can identify patterns and areas for improvement, fostering resilience and growth. These journaling prompts are more than just questions. They are tools to help you unlock your potential, understand your emotions, and guide your actions. By consistently engaging with these prompts, you can gain deeper insights into yourself and create meaningful change in your life. Let me share with you some of the most impactful journaling prompts that have transformed my own life. These prompts have not only helped me gain deeper insights, but have also fostered a mindset of growth and mindfulness. One of the most powerful practices I've adopted is gratitude journaling. By asking myself what are 3 things you are grateful for today and why, I've learned to keep my focus on what I have rather than what I lack. This simple yet profound practice helps me appreciate everything around me and not take anything for granted. It has made me more mindful and present, allowing me to experience life more fully. Another significant prompt is emotional journaling. When faced with a challenging situation, I write about it, exploring my emotions, feelings, and thoughts patterns. This practice has taught me not to judge situations, but to become aware of my internal responses. By understanding the stories I tell myself about any given situation, I can choose a new meaning that aligns with my true self. This awareness has been crucial in navigating life's ups and downs with greater resilience and clarity. The celebration of wins prompt, where I write down my achievements, has been a game changer. It has helped me become more aware of the progress I make, no matter how small. This practice shifts my focus from an obsession with the outcome and the need for control to recognizing and appreciating the journey itself. It's a reminder that success is not just about reaching a destination, but about the growth and learning that happens along the way. Lastly, the visualization prompt has had a profound impact on my mindset. By writing about my best-case scenarios, I've learned to dispel negative thoughts and worries about the future. This practice keeps me grounded in the present, allows me to learn from past experiences, and helps me build a constructive, goal-oriented future. Visualizing positive outcomes has been instrumental in shaping my reality and maintaining a hopeful, proactive approach to life. These journaling prompts are more than just writing exercises. They are powerful tools that can create profound shifts in your mindset and behavior. They are transformative tools that bring us closer to our true selves. By constantly engaging with these prompts, we unlock deep insights, foster emotional well-being, and cultivate a resilient and growth-oriented mindset. I encourage you to embrace these journaling prompts and witness the profound changes they can bring into your life. Throughout this journey, we've seen how powerful journaling prompts can be. By practicing gratitude journaling, we shift our focus to the abundance in our lives, fostering a deep sense of mindfulness and appreciation. Emotional journaling guides us through our inner landscapes, helping us transform challenges into profound learning experiences. Celebrating our wins reminds us to recognize and honor our progress, shifting our perspective from merely reaching goals to appreciating the journey itself. Visualization prompts empowers us to create a positive, goal-oriented future by aligning our thoughts and actions with our true aspirations. I invite you to share your experiences with these journaling prompts in the comments section below. How has journaling impacted your life? What changes have you noticed? Your stories and insights can inspire and encourage others in their personal growth journeys. For a deeper understanding of the science behind journaling and its powerful benefits, be sure to watch my video, The Science of Journaling. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for your time and for being part of this journey towards emotional well-being and mental clarity. If you found this video helpful and valuable, please like and share it. Your interaction supports my mission to spread emotional well-being and mental clarity to more people. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. Together, let's create a more mindful and intentional world. See you in the next video. Much love.